So currently this is our paper ordering station. As you can see, we have pretty much 3 different sections. It's paper needed, paper ordered, and then we have our paper invoice for our latest order. You can see we already have some cards in there, and we pretty much get these as the Kanban levels fill up. So this one was 1 ream, we need to order 2 reams. One thing that really bugs me and I want to make a little bit more accessible is this paper needed. Because once I have all the paper, it's the end of the day, I'm going to order paper. In order to actually order it, I have to personally go to my desk. I have to open up our website to order paper, and then I need to log in. One thing that kind of bugs me about it is that for some reason there's a weird cookie/cache issue where I have to clear it every single time. So let me do that real quick. Right. After that, I have to close the page and then reopen it, and then log back in. So that's a couple extra steps that I probably should not be doing. And then once I have the paper here, I need to go in one by one. So I know I need some hammer wheel pink, and I need to type in this SKU number that's right there. So I'm gonna type in 1500703. And that'll pop up on the computer. I'll click on it, and then I'll add however many I need right there. One thing that I do while I'm typing this in is this could lead to defects. If I'm typing it in and I accidentally type in, for example, this one, instead of 12112542, I type in 12112542. Now I have either no results, or even worse, it could lead to the wrong paper, and then I'll order that on accident, and it's going to be a huge process just to return it and everything. So my thinking is I want to simplify this. I want to use these barcodes, actually implement them, and hopefully make it more accessible so that the guys back here can order paper and not be reliant on one person to do the job. So yeah, let me see what I can come up with, and then I'll be right back. So this is the end result of what we ended up with. I do want to give a shout out to Tyler for making these barcodes on the Kanban cards. Even though he's not in Bakersfield anymore, he's still helping out with improvements. And then a shout out to Lawrence for giving me the idea to put the tablet up here. So pretty much now we have the tablet here. If you remember from our previous improvements, we added the AC to the tablet. So we have our Kelly Spicer's website. We grab one of our barcodes. Now what happens is you just scan your Kanban card. It updates to the new paper. Scroll down. Let's say we need 5 cases of these. It's class text. Scan the 5. There. And then we just press add to cart. To the cart. Anyone could do this, like I said. It just makes it easier and more accessible. It helps eliminate some defects. Another pro from this is that we added the Rico website. The Rico requires 2-factor authentication now, and since we have that 2-factor authentication on the tablet as well, we could just pull it up, grab the code that we need, and then automatically switch back to the Rico website. So yeah, this is 4 or 5 improvements all at once. We still have our paper needed, our paper ordering, and we still just keep one invoice in case we need to do a return or anything.